Distinguished faculty members, friends, good day. I am Ramesh VP from the Dayanand Sagar Academy of Technology and Management. In the next few minutes, I would be presenting my research paper on managing credit risk in agriculture lending. Keywords used in the paper are as flashed here. The variables which I homed on to study are farm yield and repayment default. As is indicated in the title, the managing credit risk in agriculture lending is the title. So I wanted to check if the farm yield has got a correlation with the prominent default behavior of the farmers, which are showing an increasing trend as per all the analysis, RBI reports, past research studies, etc. So my obvious research gap or statement of problem is the correlation between credit default and farm yield. Many farmers fail to repay their farm loans, agri loans. What is the reason? Is there any correlation between their normally we expect when they get a good farm yield, they should be fully repaying their loans. That's what we expect, no? So I thought I would study the relation between these two variables. So it is in a sense a descriptive research which I have carried out. Phenomenon occurring is known. I just wanted to know the what aspect of it. What is happening? What is the correlation between farm yield and default behavior of farmers in terms of their loan repayment? So naturally, my null hypothesis is that there is a positive correlation between farm yield and credit default. And my H1 hypothesis is there is a negative correlation between farm yield and credit default, meaning when the farm yield increases, credit default behavior goes down. That is, they repay their loans. That's what we expected normally. That's what I expected. So my objective was to learn the probable reason for the increasing default rate in agriculture lending by Indian farmers. The methodology used, nature of the study, as I mentioned, is descriptive research. Sample design used was convenient and non-probabilistic, which were secondary data extracted from the literature survey, whatever I carried out. Tool for the data collection, as I mentioned, is literature review. Tool for data analysis used was LibreOffice Calc, which is Office component of Linux Ubuntu operating system. And the specific tools which I used were Carl Pearson's correlation coefficient as well as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. The results I obtained on analyzing my data, the data which I had taken from RBI reports and past research reports, when I analyzed through Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation, what I obtained is 0.202036. So that is a very low positive figure showing a low positive correlation. Can you imagine? That means when the farm yield goes up, the loan default goes up. When they get a good harvest, when they get good returns, they default more, they pay back less. So that is quite surprising, isn't it? So I was taken aback. So I wanted to double check. I carried out another analysis using Spearman's rank correlation coefficient of the data. Again, I got a positive index of 0.4, again showing a positive correlation instead of a negative correlation. That means when the farm yield goes up, default behavior also goes up. Surprise, surprise. So there is a lot of scope for future research, I think, between these two variables of this particular study. So my study was constrained by time and other parameters. So that is all I came up with. It was interesting, I suppose, for any of you who are interested in carrying out long explorative research, could go into looking for the relation between these variables or even other variables. We can also look at so-called assumptions or the parameters which may be lying in our blind spots, which we would have overlooked, whatever. So if you have got any queries, I would try to take on. Otherwise, thank you so much.